Okay, so hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some defects that we usually get on site, and it's something that we've seen in several buildings. You know, it's what we call separation crack. So separation crack normally occurs when the blockwork and then column is attached together without any proper connection details. So with time, you see that the mortar joints will just come off, and then you see a crack inside the plastering, even after they finish with the plastering. And this is something that happens a lot. This is the reason why they've put in this cement slurry on the smooth, what do you call it, column surface. But this thing will work to a certain limit. It has its own limit. Sometimes you put this just cement slurry, you do your plastering, and then the separation crack still comes back. So the advice is that when you are doing your plastering, you do a second method where you put a wire mesh or a chicken mesh. You can fix a chicken mesh on this side, and then comes here, and then comes on this side too as well. You nail it into the wall at the same time, the column, and then you can plaster. You can do your plastering. With that, it's unlikely for the separation crack to come back. So this is one of the tips that we have to know when we are doing block work for construction. Thank you.